is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Everybody's been asking, where's the 82 GT?
Yeah, let's get it.
We fixed to go get it. But yeah, guys, it has been gone for a little bit, but it is done. He ran into some other stuff behind what was previously done. He fixed that. It's done right. Wait till you see this engine bay. And the cool thing is, we can basically get this car back together pretty quick.
Everything else is done.
Yeah.
Just got to wire it.
Throw it back together. One badass 82 GT. So we're heading over to Nick's. Let's go get it. Oh yeah, he's looking good. Damn.
Pretty easy to rest the car now, huh?
It might be able to get to it.
Get the buffer, get that up.
Hey, that came out great.
Yes.
Yeah, this one was a struggle down there again.
Hey, you said there was some rust behind the other panels,
Yeah,
wasn't
all
it?
this was rusted out here.
Wow. And it hadn't even drove.
I had to cut it all out.
Oh yeah, that looks great.
Well, I guess that's what happens when you sandwich those panels.
That's right.
Yeah, now that's what it's supposed to look like, matching the paint.
Yes.
All right, so you guys already see. So what's this concrete mean, Nick?
New shop.
And new shop means we can't tell him yet, can we?
We'll see on my
But yeah, he's got all the trusses right there. About to be in business.
Okay.
Yeah, this thing is, man, I forgot how slick this car was. Yeah. Up there. We think we're gonna put this thing back together now. Alright, see you, Alex. Alright, y'all. Let's get this bad boy back to the shop. Alright, she's back, baby. Bad boy in here. Man, this thing is slick. Alright, boys, we're gonna get this beast unloaded. Boys, next order of business, Project Two-Tone is going to the most OCD detailer on the planet. She's getting the goods, guys. All right, boys, so Project Two-Tone is at the detailer. Like, we had it really cleaned up, really looking good, but I wanted it better. So, and Bronson is awesome. I will put his information down in the description. He's amazing, and I can't wait to see the finished product. Keep it tuned for that. And if all goes as planned, which I think it will, you will see Project Two-Tone at Foxtoberfest. We're going to hand off the keys to David Benson, and it's all his. So huge shout out again. If you enjoyed this one, big thumbs up. I'll catch you on the next one.